today's video, we're going on a journey through some of the most technological, iconic, and robust tractors ever created. We'll explore how these true field machines are revolutionizing agriculture. Before we continue, take a moment to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell. Here, you'll stay updated on everything about these incredible tools of the trade, shall we? Claas Xerion 3800. Produced by the renowned brand Claas between 2007 and 2013, the Xerion 3800 is much more than impressive numbers. The Claas Xerion 3800 is equipped with a turbocharged Caterpillar engine with an intercooler. This six-cylinder diesel engine has a displacement of 8.8 liters and delivers an impressive 379 GP, 282.6 kilowatts, at 2,100 revolutions per minute. And that's not all. Its maximum torque is 1195 lb-ft, 1,620.4 nanometers, achieved at just 1,400 revolutions per minute. This combination of power and torque means the Xerion 3800 can easily handle heavy implements and demanding tasks, such as deep plowing or transporting large loads. It's enough strength to operate under tough conditions while ensuring maximum efficiency. With a fuel tank capacity of 164 gallons, 620 liters, the Xerion 3800 is designed to operate for long periods without interruptions. This is ideal for farmers who need to maximize productivity during limited work windows, such as planting or harvesting seasons. Its hydraulic system, with a capacity of 34 gallons, 130 liters, is robust enough to handle modern demanding implements. With a total flow of 50.19 GPM, 190 Lmin, and multiple control valves, it ensures each implement operates efficiently and precisely. Its dimensions are impressive, with a length of 260.6 inches and a total height of 146.5 inches. This tractor is a commanding presence in any field. It also boasts a rear lifting capacity of 25,848 pounds, allowing the use of large implements with ease. John Deere 8520T. The John Deere 8520T is a track agricultural tractor produced between 2002 and 2005 as part of the John Deere 8020 series. At the heart of the John Deere 8520T lies a six-cylinder diesel engine with an 8.1-liter displacement. This engine can generate an incredible 335 GP at 2,200 revolutions per minute, delivering more than enough power to tackle intense agricultural tasks. The engine's technology ensures reliable performance even under heavy loads while maintaining fuel efficiency. The tractor is equipped with a fully automatic power shift transmission, offering 16 forward and 4 reverse gears. This means the operator can shift effortlessly, allowing smooth transitions and optimal performance regardless of the task or terrain type. One of the highlights of the 8520T is its closed center hydraulic system with flow and pressure compensation. With a total capacity of 65 gallons, 246 liters, and a maximum pressure of 2,900 psi, it provides ample strength to operate demanding agricultural implements. This setup is ideal for producers needing a reliable system for tasks like lifting large plows and seeders. The Category 3 3N rear hitch has an impressive lifting capacity of up to 15,181 pounds, 6,885 kilograms. This specification is essential for those working with heavy implements who need a tractor capable of maneuvering them effortlessly. The model offers track options ranging from 16 to 30 inches wide, allowing operators to choose the best configuration for the soil type and specific work conditions. Challenger MT 765D. The Challenger MT 765D is a track agricultural tractor manufactured by Challenger, a division of AGCO, between 2012 and 2013. This tractor is equipped with an AGCO power engine with 8.4 liters, 6 cylinders, and 24 valves. This turbocharged and intercooled engine can deliver 350 GP, 261 kilowatts, of gross power. But what truly impresses is its efficiency. Even under demanding conditions, it maintains stable and reliable performance. At the PTO, power takeoff, the machine delivers 285 GP, 212.5 kilowatts, perfect for operating high-demand implements. Additionally, it meets the strict Tier 4I emission standards, proving that power and sustainability can go hand in hand. Another standout feature is the closed center hydraulic system with flow and pressure compensation, PFC. With a standard flow of 43.5 GPM, 164.6 LPM, and an optional flow of 59 GPM, 223.3 LPM, the tractor can effortlessly operate the most demanding implements. Need to lift heavy equipment? No problem. The Category 3 3N rear hitch supports up to 16,000 pounds. 7,257 kilograms. That's more than enough strength for any task. In addition to being powerful, the MT 765D's engine is recognized for its efficiency in fuel and diesel exhaust fluid, consumption. This means you can work for long periods without frequent refueling, thanks to its 109-gallon, 412.6-liter tank. The result, fewer interruptions and reduced costs. What sets the MT 765D apart from other tractors is its unique combination of power, efficiency, and comfort. New Holland T8 435. A giant that combines raw power, advanced technology, and unparalleled comfort. Get ready to meet the New Holland T8.435, one of the most impressive tractors in modern agriculture. At the heart of the New Holland T8 435 is an FPT 6-cylinder, 8.7-liter engine. This engine delivers a rated power of 380 GP, 283.4 kilowatts, and can reach up to 435 GP, 324.4 kilowatts, at its peak capacity. The torque is equally impressive, reaching up to 1,365 lb-ft, 1,850 nanometers, at just 1,400 revolutions per minute. This means enough power to handle heavy tasks like plowing tough terrains or pulling large implements. Equipped with a common rail electronic injection system and variable turbocharging (EVGT), the engine not only delivers raw power but also ensures fuel efficiency. In times when every gallon of diesel counts, this makes all the difference. The full Power Shift Ultra Command trademark transmission offers 21 forward and 5 reverse gears, allowing speeds of up to 24.8 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per h. The Auto Speed Management (GSM) system automatically adjusts gears to optimize performance for each operation. This results in smooth transitions, fuel savings, and a more efficient operating experience. The T8.435 features a closed-center hydraulic system with pressure and flow compensation. It offers a standard flow of 59.2 gal-min, 224 L-min, which can reach 73.7 gal-min, 279 L-min, in the optional configuration. This system is essential for operating implements that demand high hydraulic capacity, such as planters and sprayers. Additionally, the tractor provides 4 to 5 electronically adjustable remote valves, further enhancing its versatility for implement use. Fendt 939, Vario Black. Part of the acclaimed 900 Vario series by Fendt, this tractor is designed to tackle the biggest challenges of modern farming. But what truly sets this machine apart from the rest? This machine is powered by a 6-cylinder 9.0-liter man engine. This engine delivers an impressive 385 GP, 283 kilowatts, at 1,700 revolutions per minute. Additionally, the maximum torque reaches an astounding 1,364 lb-ft, 1,850 nanometers. Available in a range from 1,150 to 1,350 revolutions per minute. This means the tractor provides consistent power to handle any task, from soil preparation to hauling heavy loads. When it comes to versatility, the hydraulic system of the Fendt 939 Vario stands out. It offers a maximum flow of 113 gallons per minute, 429.6 liters per minute, enabling the operation of a wide range of agricultural implements, ensuring flexibility in operations. At the rear, the lifting capacity reaches an incredible 27,355 pounds, 12,410 kilograms, meaning the tractor can handle heavy implements with ease. This is essential for intensive agricultural activities requiring strength and reliability. Equipped with the innovative VarioDrive CVT transmission, The Fendt 939 Vario offers continuous speeds ranging from 0.01 miles per hour, 20 meters per hour, to an impressive 31 miles per hour, 50 kilometers per h. This technology eliminates the need for manual gear changes, providing smooth, efficient operation and fuel savings. In other words, it's the perfect combination of performance and simplicity. With a wheelbase of 124 inches, the Fendt 939 Vario offers exceptional stability and traction. The operating weight is 25,132 pounds, while its overall dimensions include a height of 133 inches, a width of 108 inches, and a total length of 222 inches, 5,650 mm. Every detail is designed to ensure peak field performance. Claas Xerion 640. The Claas Xerion 640 is a medium-sized agricultural tractor manufactured by the German company Claas between 2007 and 2017. Equipped with a John Deere 6-cylinder, 6.8-liter engine, the Xerion 640 delivers an impressive 155 GP at 2,200 revolutions per minute. This robust engine is not only powerful but also efficient, thanks to its turbocharged system with an intercooler. This allows the tractor to achieve a maximum torque of 526 lb-ft, 714 nanometers, at just 1,200 revolutions per minute, ensuring the strength to handle heavy tasks like plowing and hauling heavy loads. This combination of power and torque makes the Xerion 640 suitable for operations requiring brute strength as well as tasks demanding fuel efficiency and precision. The engine also stands out for its durability, designed for long working periods without compromising performance. The Hexashift transmission system is one of the highlights of the Xerion 640. With 24 forward and 24 reverse gears, it provides smooth and precise gear shifts without compromising power during transitions. Additionally, the electro-hydraulic reverser makes quick maneuvers easier, such as changing direction during loading or working in tight spaces. This technology allows the operator to choose the ideal gear for each type of operation, optimizing performance and reducing fuel consumption. The transmission's design focuses on versatility, making the tractor effective for a wide range of field tasks. With a wheelbase of 9.25 feet, 2.82 meters, the Xerion 640 strikes a balance between stability and maneuverability. The operational weight ranges from 13,794 to 15,036 pounds, 6,259 to 6,820 kilograms, depending on the configuration, ensuring safety and efficiency on uneven terrains. The fuel tank capacity of 87 gallons, 330 liters, is more than sufficient for long workdays. This means fewer stops for refueling and more time focused on productive tasks. If you found this content helpful and want to keep exploring the fascinating world of agricultural machinery, subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. See you in the next video.